Okay, this next short video is going to talk about different aspects of sex chromosomes and sex-linked disorders or diseases. So first of all, I'm sure most of you are aware that humans have a chromosomal way of determining sex. And we've looked at the number of chromosomes that human cells have. They have 46 chromosomes, 23 pairs of chromosomes. And the last pair, the 23rd pair, is the sex chromosome. So pairs 1 through 22 are the autosomes, and the last pair, the 23rd pair, is called the sex chromosomes, and they exist as either X chromosomes or Y chromosomes. Females, get my pen working here. Females in mammals have 2 X chromosomes. They also have all the other 44 chromosomes, and then they have 2 X's. And males have 44 chromosomes and then an X and a Y. And it's the Y that is responsible for determining maleness in humans. Everybody has an X. You can see females have 2, males have 1, but it's the Y that makes the difference, that makes males males. All right, so then let's look at what happens in the when the sex of a child is determined. So here's a female on the left side. This is a weird Punnett square. They've put it on an angle, but anyway, she's going to make eggs, and each of her eggs will have 1 chromosome 1, 1 chromosome 2, 1 chromosome 3, 1 chromosome 4, blah, 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 all the way up, 1 chromosome 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 chromosome 21, 1 chromosome 22, and then she will have to pick one of these X chromosomes to go in each of her eggs. So some of her eggs will get this X chromosome and some of her eggs will get that X chromosome, but either way they all get an X. And so that's why what this is showing here is that the female eggs have 22 autosomes plus an X. And the X is shown here as this red chromosome. Not really red in real life. All right, so the same deal with the man. He's going to make sperm, and he's going to make, in every single sperm cell, he'll put 1 chromosome 1, 1 chromosome 2, 1 chromosome 3 to make, a haploid cell, all the way up to 20, 21, 22, and then he gets to put a sex chromosome in the sperm as well. Half of his sperm will get the X, and half of his sperm will get the Y. So that's what this is showing here. Here's an X carrying sperm, and here's a Y carrying sperm. All right, so 50% of the sperm carry X's, 50% carry Y's. Then it's basically a race, and it depends which sperm, this one or this one, fertilize the egg. If this sperm gets to the egg first, there's an X from the mom, and the sperm brings another X. Then you have 2 X's, so the baby will be a female. If this sperm gets to the egg first, then the mom put an X in the egg, the dad brings a Y by way of the sperm, and then you have an XY, and so therefore the child will be a male. And if you look at this, you can see because 50% of the sperm are X's and 50% are Y's, if all other things being equal, if it's just a straight out race, half of the time the X's will win, half of the time the Y's will win, and that explains why overall in the general sex ratio in the population, you have a 50-50 split of 50-50 girls to boys. All right. So that's the actual genetics behind sex determination. It's the sperm or the man that controls whether it's a boy or a girl that is conceived.